Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in again from the Urban Micro Farm. It is day number 6. So as day number 6 hits us, got a little bit of bad news to report. We did lose one more overnight. We lost one more bird, and last night when we checked out, everybody was doing okay. There was really no concerns. Get up this morning, and lo and behold, there's one laying dead in the bottom of the brooder. So I don't know what happened to it. Again, fingers crossed. Hopefully that was the very last of them. We expect a certain amount of die off. I mean, it's just going to happen. It's the law of large numbers. But hopefully that's it. We're just over 10% now, and I don't want to see any more. So everybody else seems to be doing pretty well, healthy, lively, vibrant. I keep saying that. I know that, but everybody seems to be doing all right. So what I'd like to do, nice short video for tonight, because I don't have a lot of information to share with you. But what I would like to do is set up the camera again, get some weights on these birds. Here we are, 6 days in. Let's see how their weights are doing. So stay with me. Okay, we're going to grab. Let's start off with one of the smaller ones in this first brooder here. This one appears to be a vocal small one. Let's see what the 2.75 ounces. Let's see if we can get. I got another small one here. This one's a real small one. Let's see what that one looks like. 2.1 ounces. 2.1. 2.55. This is a good sized bird here. Maybe this one will go over 3. 3.5. That's a big one. Okay, this is a pretty good sized bird here. Let's see how big that one is. 3.6 ounces. 3.6 there. This is a pretty good sized bird right here. Let's see what it weighs out at. 4.25 ounces. 4.25. Okay, so as you can see, most of the birds that we've weighed tonight are about twice the mass that they were just a couple of days ago. Which is a good thing. That's what we want. We want those birds developing quickly. We want them putting on weight, ultimately, so we can get them out on the pasture and get them to butcher. So I'm not discouraged at all. We knew we'd lose some, so I'm not completely discouraged, even though I may sound like that. I hate losing these birds because we put so much effort, so much time into them. We hate to lose any of them. So, but all in all, I'm pleased. Mandy's pleased with the progress we're making here. So, rather than ramble on, you see it there. We weighed some birds, checked in on them, lost that one, but we're just going to keep on trucking here. So, Wyoming James, check it out. Day number 6 from the Urban Micro Farm. See you tomorrow.